Hello, everyone. Hello, our friends from foreign countries. Today, we start the first first webinar of data analysis program in Sigma School. And first, let me introduce myself. My name is Vadim Vorenkov. I started collecting and analyzing data since 2002, teaching and lecturing students since 2003, and I started my first business process of the optimization and automation in 2005. So today we will talk about who is data analyst and why it can be useful for you to take our course and learn how to work with the data, how to analyze it. So data analyst collects, cleans, interprets data sets. Why? To find solutions, to find decisions, to answer some questions, to solve some problems. One important thing, you can see me, but I cannot see you because it's the YouTube translation. It's a little bit difficult to talk with you when I cannot see you. I will appreciate if you will send some text or reactions in the translation chat. First, it will be good if you will write from which country are you from. We have a delay about 15 seconds on translation. That's why I will make some pauses between my replics. It's normal. I'm not sleeping. I'm waiting for your feedback. Okay. Can you hear me normally? Oh, Madina is from Egypt. Yes. Anyone else? Oh, Russian people. Hi, Daniil. Okay, let's continue. Yes, Madina, I will be a teacher on this course. Yes. Oh, Tanzania. Hello, Tanzania. Okay, let's try to continue. We'll look sometimes during the webinar to your replics, but now I need to see the presentation and my script, okay? Once again, who is data analysis and what is he doing? He collects, cleans, interprets data sets. And why is he doing these things? To solve problem, to find questions, to improve some things. All of the industries use data analysis now. Business, finance, criminal justice, science, government, medicine, all of them, transportation, logistics, and so on. So first, data analysts need to define data sources. Data sources keeping needed data. Then he should be able to collect the data from these sources, make some operations with this data, such as cleaning, so removing trash, because when you're working with big data, you have a really big data sets, so raw data, and you need to find abnormal values and remove them from the data flow. Next step is normalization, for example, if it is needed. Next step is data analysis itself. And the last, and I think it's most important step of the data analyst job is interpretation of the results, to tell the customer what to do, or what's the problem, what will be better to do, or what will be worse to do. So data analysts should have, of course, some hard skills. Hard skills is the skills of you like a specialist. So the first, you need SQL to grab some data. To grab data from sources. If you work without a data engineer, because on big projects, complex projects with a big set of large sets of big data, you will work with data engineer, because there are many sources, for example, from which you need to collect data. Usually data analyst is not able to access all needed sources, and data engineer helps him to collect needed data. So the first is SQL for data collection from sources. The next skill is Python. Python, for example, Python. Maybe you will use another language, for example, Scala or Java. But we will talk with you about Python, because it's the one of the simplest languages for beginners. And it's really good for data analysis and for text analysis. So the next step is transformation and loading data, for example. Some BI systems. Next skills are data mining and data modeling. We will talk about this more detailing in the course. Soft skills, it's the skills for you, like for the member of the command of your team. In use for people who not like to communicate with other people, you will need to communicate, because one of the things that data analyst is doing is solving problem solving, and you really need to explain why he needed in this data, why the result is looking like this, and why the customer should do something and should not do another thing. The good news for those who will not communicate with other people, you can make a step to data engineering, because you will be already able to collect data and make their first preparation. Other skills of data analyst, soft skill is research. You need to be patient. You need to be careful. You need read more books, more articles, and you should do this very carefully. So you need you should have attention to detail. So other skills are teamwork and last but not least, self-developing, data analyst skills, self-developing. Studying languages, studying SQL, studying libraries of languages, mathematical models, and so on. What's the salary? Yeah, we all work for money, unfortunately. So the salary of data analysts, you can see it on the screen. It's about 30,000 per year for junior, 50,000 for middle specialists, and 80,000 for senior. Usually you need from 2 to 5 years between these grades. If you will be patient, careful, it's normal when you're grading your grade every 2 years. And many companies have grade between these three, so junior minus, junior plus, middle plus, middle minus. Senior usually comes without grades because senior is self-driven specialist. One second, I'll read your questions. Mary, about software we'll talk later, maybe not today. Because there are a lot of free soft for SQL, for Python, it's Jupyter, Anaconda. I'll give you an examples, maybe in the chat, but later, okay? So, okay, let's continue. Which companies use data analysis? Can you please type in chat, did you see the House of Cards with Kevin Spacey? And waiting your feedback. Because your case is complex, it's interest for specialists. Okay, Mary saw House of Cards. Okay, I like Netflix case and Unilever case. I'll tell you about this. So Netflix analyzed, find out that people who watched the original House of Cards, the British version, they like David Fincher and Kevin Spacey. So they collect this data, take a result, and send offer to Fincher and Spacey just without a pilot series. Just, okay, guys, come on, we will do a film with you, new seasons. And so we've got a House of Cards, one of the best serials of previous 10 years. Uber, it's simple for user, difficult for realization. So they define prices for taxi almost online. They collect many data from clients, from drivers. They taking care of the cars. And use complex algorithm to calculate the current price. Another interesting case is the Unilever case. They find out that 80% of ice creams sells on Saturday. And they move all marketing activities to Thursday and Friday. In the end, they increase the salary up to 10%, leaving the budget for marketing on the same level. Because the commercial all marketing activities on Monday and Tuesday were absolutely wasting of money. Also, they analyzing posts in social networks and find out that people talks about ice cream on Tuesday, Thursday and Friday also. So they move all activities to Thursday and Friday and took 10% of the whole market. And the Coca-Cola case, in 2 words, they take collaboration with Facebook. Facebook analyzing photos for Coca-Cola to find out if there are. So what's the picture? So when you put some photos to Facebook, it should be ready that they be analyzed, even if you just hanging a bottle of Coca-Cola or just wearing some cap or suit. They even can analyze text on this and send it to somebody. Just a second, please. Oh, the delay is very big now. Okay, let's continue. It's really difficult to communicate with such delay. Okay. So let's talk about the program and about Sigma course. In 2 words about Sigma. Sigma Academy is an online school where you can up-to-date knowledge and hard skills and maybe some soft skills required for almost any digital professions. First, course duration was 3 months, but on the base of feedbacks, we decided to increase it, and now the current duration is 4 months. So we will start in the end of June and finish in October, but in this year. That's important. The totally we will have 256 hours for the program, including online lectures like this one, home tasks, online practical classes, your home independent work, and the final project. You will do it with yourself. Maybe you can cooperate with someone else, and we will check it in October. During the course, you will know how to use. So what will you know? We will study with you basic concepts of data analysis. For examples, data types, what is this, how to work with it, and how data can be processed, and how they should be processed. Steps of data preparations, we will talk about it earlier, such as cleaning, removing trash, normalizing. We will know how to use data analysis tools, such simple as Excel and Google Sheets, and more complex like SQL, and some other tools also. Next module, we will teach with you Python, the basics of Python, and the standard libraries using with data. For example, pandas. The next module is about JSON. JSON is the exchange technologies between the client and the server. So it's used usually in client-server technologies with such thing like API, application program interface. The next module is data analysis, such as pattern, graphical analysis, and the tools, complex tools using for this. And in the end, we will study with you metrics. What is this? Cohort analysis and A/B testing. One more important thing which we'll got to include in this presentation. If you will work normally with metrics, cohort analysis, and A/B testing, you can move them to product managers. Because data-driven developing is now in the trends of software development, of product development. It's very interesting. It's very responsibility, but you will be able to create new products, move them to new markets, make new features of this product. It's really interesting things. That's once again a short brief of the program course. So the first introduction to data analysis career and how you can work after the course, basics of Python, data collection and preparation, data analysis with Python, SQL basics, real cases for study, and the final project. So what is good in our program? What is the advantage? We also took real cases with you. More practice with minimal theory. Online support, answers to your questions from instructor, from teachers. And the finished project in the course, in the end of the course, we will define it with you. What will you do in the end? So today we have a promo action for this program. You can see it on the screen. So it's really good offer. It's discount 40%. So the final price is 297 instead of 829. So you can save $232. if you buy a course today or yesterday. I think it's really good suggestion, good offer, because we can see a salary for junior, and data analysts are really needed now everywhere. And we saw it's a one step to data science, data engineering, and product management. So you can move there wherever you want. Absolutely. And data science is now one of the very needed role on many projects because they train in neural networks. And one more offer for today. Just a second. Yeah, one more promo code, Go Study. An additional $200 discount with this promo code. It will work also today and yesterday. And it's maybe the best offer on the market. If you will type some questions, I'll try to answer it. Okay, and while we are waiting for your questions, maybe we can show some slides for someone else who want to define some things. Will I be a junior after completing the course? I think yes. We will give you a certificate that you have studied the program, teaching some things like data collection, data preparation, data analysis, Python, SQL. You can show your project, final project into your portfolio. I think junior is the grade you will be definitely get after the course. Maybe junior plus. Okay. I'm afraid that it will be difficult for me. We'll try to make it easy because we took, for example, the most difficult way is SQL and Python. We're preparing for next 2 weeks, 2, maybe 3 webinars. It will be free. We'll show you that it's not, there is nothing very difficult things. It's not so complex. Python is really one of the easiest language to study and to use it from the beginner level. I saw many people who saw programming IDE, the integrated development environment, for the first time, and now some of them are data science. One of them is data scientist, and the other is system administrator. So one more way where you can move if you will find out that data analysis is not yours, is system administration, because Python is very good for text analysis, and all software logs are text, regular text with regular expressions. And Python is really very good for analyzing big, very big logs, find their warnings, errors, collect them, put it to database, split it to information part and the garbage, and show to the administrator the real state of servers, so networks, virtual machines, and so on. So it's really not very difficult, absolutely. Which device I need to study? Paul, it's just laptop and the internet, because everything we will do, you can make online on online platforms. Just a second, please. But you need some device with a screen and a keyboard. So because you need to type a text. So at least you need the tablet with the external keyboard, because with on-screen keyboard it's really very difficult. You need to see the whole screen for effective work. So keyboard better use like external device, like separate device. Okay. Anybody else? I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I'm waiting for your questions. Okay, thank you too. I hope to see you on the course. I hope you were interested today and interested in the course and the program, in your future tasks and in cases. I'm glad that it was interesting for you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then bye. We'll see you on the course.